The check charging system warning in your Honda indicates an issue with its electrical charging system. This system includes the alternator, which generates electricity, the battery that stores power, the voltage regulator that maintains stable voltage, and the wiring that connects everything. The warning typically appears when the alternator isn't properly charging the battery, which should maintain a voltage around 12.6 volts. Common symptoms include the warning light on the dashboard, dimming headlights, slow engine cranking, or failing electrical accessories. The most frequent causes are a faulty alternator, which accounts for 60 to 70% of cases, a weak or dead battery at 20 to 30%, wiring or connection problems, or a failing voltage regulator. Use a multimeter to check the alternator output, aiming for 13.5 to 14.5 volts at idle, or an OBD2 scanner for diagnostic codes. To address the warning, start with the most likely culprits. Have your battery tested for cold cranking amps and replace it if it's weak, typically every 3 to 5 years. Inspect all wiring and connections for corrosion or looseness, cleaning and tightening as needed. If the alternator is suspected, have it professionally tested. Replacement can cost $300 to $600. Ensure the voltage regulator is functioning correctly. For newer models, software glitches might trigger the warning, requiring an ECU update. Honda's telematics systems, like Honda Sensing, can now alert owners to potential issues before the warning light appears. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance, like applying dielectric grease to terminals, help avoid problems. Remember to consult a certified mechanic for accurate diagnosis and repairs, especially for complex issues.